Sometimes we think that knowing something means you're automatically gonna do it. If you know what's the reason behind you procrastinating to do that project that you wish to do, suddenly now that it is solved, you're gonna stop procrastinating, right? False. Actually, it's a process to go from knowing something, from actually absorbing the knowledge, till it becomes integrated and actually you can act on it. And there's a very interesting concept that I just heard from my coach, Xavier Dagba, and he says, you can't unknow something that you know. Awareness is really a key for us to grow. When we become aware of the patterns that are hindering our progress, it's a really good step forward, because then we're going to always realize, oh, this is the pattern again. Doesn't mean we're going to right away act differently, but it's going to build that discomfort, and that you're going to start changing once you become so fed up of that feeling inside of you that's gnawing on you, because you know you can do better and you can achieve a lot better results. So I hope this helps